Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Cross-cultural legal considerations. Cross-cultural legal considerations are a fundamental aspect of cross-border employment laws, particularly for senior professionals in human resources who operate on an international scale. The complexity of managing a global workforce necessitates a robust understanding of diverse legal systems, cultural nuances, and the multifaceted nature of compliance across different jurisdictions. This lesson delves into the essential elements of cross-cultural legal considerations, emphasizing the importance of cultural competence in mitigating legal risks and fostering a harmonious international work environment. One of the primary challenges in cross-cultural legal considerations is navigating the varied legal frameworks that govern employment practices in different countries. For instance, labor laws in the United States are markedly different from those in the European Union, Asia, or Latin America. Each country has its own regulatory landscape, encompassing aspects such as employment contracts, termination procedures, working hours, minimum wage, and employee benefits. Human resource professionals must stay abreast of these differences to ensure compliance and avoid potential legal pitfalls. For example, in countries like Germany, employment relationships are heavily regulated, with stringent requirements for employee termination and works council involvement. In contrast, the United States follows the at-will employment doctrine, allowing either party to terminate the employment relationship with or without cause, subject to certain exceptions. Cultural differences also play a significant role in shaping employment laws and workplace practices. Understanding these cultural nuances is crucial for HR professionals to effectively manage a diverse workforce and ensure legal compliance. For instance, in many Asian countries, the concept of face and respect for hierarchy profoundly influence workplace interactions and dispute resolution processes. In Japan, the lifetime employment system and the emphasis on group harmony impact employee relations and organizational loyalty. Conversely, Western cultures tend to prioritize individualism and meritocracy, which can lead to different expectations regarding performance evaluations and career progression. HR professionals must be culturally sensitive and adapt their strategies to align with the local context, thereby fostering a positive and legally compliant work environment. Another critical aspect of cross-cultural legal considerations is the handling of discrimination and harassment issues in the workplace. Anti-discrimination laws vary significantly across countries, reflecting different societal values and historical contexts. For example, the European Union has comprehensive anti-discrimination legislation that protects employees from discrimination based on race, gender, age, disability, and sexual orientation. In contrast, some countries may have less stringent regulations or may not recognize certain forms of discrimination. HR professionals must be vigilant in understanding and implementing anti-discrimination policies that comply with local laws while upholding the organization's commitment to diversity and inclusion. This includes conducting regular training sessions, establishing clear reporting mechanisms, and ensuring prompt and appropriate responses to complaints. Global mobility and expatriate management are also critical components of cross-cultural legal considerations. When relocating employees across borders, HR professionals must navigate complex immigration laws, tax regulations, and social security agreements. Each country has its own visa and work permit requirements, which can vary based on the employee's nationality, job role, and duration of stay. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in severe legal consequences, including fines, deportation, and reputational damage to the organization. Additionally, tax considerations are paramount, as expatriates may be subject to double taxation or require tax equalization arrangements to mitigate financial burdens. HR professionals must work closely with legal and tax experts to ensure compliance and provide comprehensive support to expatriates and their families. Moreover, cross-cultural legal considerations extend to data privacy and protection laws, which are increasingly relevant in the digital age. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union sets a high standard for data privacy, affecting how organizations collect, store, and process personal data of employees and customers. Non-compliance with GDPR can result in hefty fines and legal repercussions. Similar data protection laws are emerging worldwide, each with unique requirements and enforcement mechanisms. HR professionals must implement robust data protection policies, conduct regular audits, and ensure that cross-border data transfers comply with relevant regulations. This includes obtaining explicit consent from employees, safeguarding sensitive information, and promptly addressing data breaches. In addition to legal compliance, ethical considerations are paramount in cross-cultural contexts. HR professionals must navigate ethical dilemmas that may arise due to differing cultural norms and values. For example, gift-giving practices vary widely across cultures and can sometimes be perceived as bribery or corruption in certain jurisdictions. Establishing a clear code of conduct and providing ethics training can help employees understand and adhere to appropriate behaviors, thereby reducing the risk of legal and reputational issues. Furthermore, promoting a culture of integrity and transparency can enhance trust and collaboration within the organization, contributing to long-term success in the global marketplace. Effective communication is a cornerstone of managing cross-cultural legal considerations. Language barriers and cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, potentially resulting in legal disputes or non-compliance. HR professionals must develop strong cross-cultural communication skills and implement strategies to bridge communication gaps. This includes providing language support, using clear and concise language in employment documents, and fostering an inclusive communication environment. Regular feedback mechanisms and open dialogue can also help identify and address potential issues before they escalate. In conclusion, cross-cultural legal considerations are a critical aspect of managing a global workforce and ensuring compliance with diverse employment laws. HR professionals must navigate complex legal frameworks, cultural differences, and ethical dilemmas to create a harmonious and legally compliant work environment. By staying informed about local regulations, fostering cultural competence, and implementing robust policies and communication strategies, HR professionals can mitigate legal risks and support the organization's global success. This comprehensive approach not only enhances legal compliance, but also promotes a positive and inclusive organizational culture, ultimately contributing to the achievement of strategic HR objectives. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.